Oh, you're going to put Dada's in there too? Good girl. Thank you.
Thank you.
Say welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Run, run, run.
No.
Do you see the flowers? What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. And what else?
Yeah.
And green. And what else?
Careful the rock.
Purple.
Careful the rock. You get boo-boo.
Want a grape?
Go, 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 go. Cha.
Good, good, good. Good guitar.
Good job. Whoa! So yummy, Good Johnny. So yummy. So yummy. Yummy, Good Johnny. Oh yeah. Do it up good. Be careful. So yummy. Oh yeah. Yummy in the tummy. What was that? Are you taking a pose? No. Door. What color is the door? Very good. What color is the house? Very good. What color is the grass? Right here, grass. What color? Green. What about the sky up there? What color is that? Blue?
What color is the sky?
Yeah.
Blue.
Hop like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop. You want another grape? Red, very good. What color is your jacket? No, it's pink. What about Daddy's shirt? It's blue. I just heard you too.
Yeah, fan it away.
Oh, it was so cute earlier when she was trying to make the poop sound. And I was like, do you have to poop? Let's go do it in the potty. And she was running for the potty. It was so cute. Want a grape? Want a bite?
No.
Okay.
Want to come up?
Johnny!
Got you. Got you.